Okay, so we want to solve the equation 2x squared minus 7x equals 4 with the quadratic formula. And the first thing we want to do is make sure our equation is in standard form. Remember, standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. And we can see that our equation is not in standard form because it equals 4. So we're going to subtract 4 from both sides. And we want to remember that 7x and 4 are not like terms, so we don't want to put them together. So we're going to write it 2x squared minus 7x minus 4 equals 0. And now we know for our formula, when we plug it in, a will be 2, b will be negative 7, c will be negative 4. So we'll plug in to the quadratic formula and we'll get x equals negative b. Now b is negative 7, so this negative here, this is part of our formula. So negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared, and I want you to notice that I'm writing negative 7 in parentheses, so when I put it in my calculator it will square it appropriately, minus 4, which is part of the equation, times a, which is 2, times c, which is negative 4, all divided by 2a, and a again is 2. So here we go. Negative 7, well, we all know that two negatives become a positive. Plus or minus, well, now I'm going to grab my calculator. I'm going to put everything under the square root in the calculator without the square root. And I get 81. 2 times 2 is 4. So, the square root of 81 is 9. Use your calculator if you need it. And at this point we're going to split it up because we have this plus or minus and we really need two answers. So we're going to have x equals 7 plus 9 divided by 4. Well, 7 plus 9 is 16. And 16 divided by 4 is 4. And then we're going to do minus. So x equals 7 minus 9 divided by 2. 7 minus 9, whoops, not 2. That's 4. 7 minus 9 is negative 2, and negative 2 divided by 4 is negative 1/2. If you want to write that as negative 0.5, that's okay. So our two solutions are x equals 4 and x equals negative 1/2 or 0.5.